Kamia said within the week, there was a particular video that was circulating from the camp of Bishop Daniel Obinim. Ochre say Owa or no dear. Man with the arrangement towards funeral. They should kind of go and sit somewhere. He does not need them to be involved in the arrangements of his funeral. Those that he expects them to be involved in his funeral arrangements. So he's taking intelligence from some of the issues that are happening. As far as some people are concerned, the likes of Apostle Kojo Safo and some others it's more or less like people, and then Daddy Lumba and were making some sort of issues as far as his death is concerned. So for him, he has been able to advise himself, say, Owa on Bompa yeso Musame, but so man ne wife and ne bushniafo and getting involved in the arrangements of his funeral, but those who should be directly involved in his arrangements of funeral is supposed to be his children. So in the same issue, and ne wife and then Florence Obinim also then atu same way in an interview Mubisani say, see what your husband has said, what do you think about it? Are you okay? Is it happening that there are some issues in your marriage, and how do you feel about it? So she went ahead to explain that, okay, me, I don't have an issue with it. So there's a particular video that she was explaining her thoughts and her feelings about this issue. Ne husband Ababeka said she shouldn't get involved in the arrangements of funeral of his death in case he dies. You could see in some of the soldier.
I feel the word was what
Matia Sana, who said,
what's I can't sing me wanting. Man, I feel the word was what
Matia Sana, who said,
what's
yes,
what's again? Wheels,
sister,
who give you?
There be more in me.
Hey,
Mike never. Okay.
Oh, who give you?
There be more in me.
Why no, Mama? I don't know because I say, oh, now sorry, ma, and your money, your mumma, and one is you.
And let you mean to me, this old bishop and I know be some.
Hey, then the man cancer.
I don't know.
And so will
there be.
Oh, soon in the war.
Yes.
What's your worry?
Yes.
Video ya babu nti ya sema makache bishop.
Oh, the makache bishop is in Yankopon Shira and say, what can I come on myself? Say, Ebia, a show, Winnipako, to know to be in country, be a name. Say, what can I look at now? Muslim who say, who are my men, home money, yes. Yankopon Shira, papa.
Oh, well,
see. What's it?
Oh, well,
oh, so who will be Abraham? Said you won't free.
So one kind. When you're one kind. 7 breakers, a true see ya. Over where you nas.
Oh, what do you trust me?
Okay. What's your video? You mean some color? Has a mamma yes. I see. Oh, money and see you. Video no say. Memma. And I sorry, man, and see him. My pushing for Cramon could see, or Craman could see me. Memma, the young man and singer, or what? And I sorry, man, I brought some man, and see. That means you have the opportunity to overcome us. What can't my master? But men could see him, dear, quite ya, and could be.
Oh, yes, you say, sir. Men see beer.
Men say,
as gentlemen, they are. Men cry. Men crying as an amateur.
There be
men see.
I may see. Some of the years you, some best you message I papa the about thing. And then I
me don't yanko pass the green was a genius faster than me rat. And we no pay on. And me, my brother. I dear important in here make a see a parley. Maybe a young point. It is say, maybe a say, young point. Master and
So that was the wife of Bishop Daniel Obinim, Florence Obinim. Ultra said for her, it is good that the husband actually woman who nitrimu po anana kumemu asem. So for her, she has no issue about it. Say ne husband kase so who ne ma ene na sorry ma abro so from and now munsi. So for her, she actually finds no issue wrong with it. So it is good pass and a husband woman who say this is what is hidden in his heart. So he actually do not have any marital issue and now any husband need some sort of issues beer. So it's good in that direction. So in the same issue and Bishop Obinim Eden in some better mountains or it's more or less like Ghanaians are misunderstanding what he was talking about. So it's more or less like in Crawford in Nanu AC Bonnet. But what he was trying to explain is say so on Castle Sami Nansu so on Castle Neireno Florence Obinim ma nemo but when it comes to arrangements of the funeral rites, no, or non they should leave their hand out of it. They shouldn't get involved with it. They should actually leave it to Nema and then the church members say on arrangements of it and all that. Or there are a number of issues or explaining further say Ebema Ghanaians say who say I mean it's more or less like a number of people are for Chin and Wesi Bonnie and all that. So Yankosha sa video number.
Abusiana, what is say? You say me trendy o, easy. The radio say me trendy. Na video na munya hwe na munya ni nyina nhwe. Video na munya ni nyina nhwe. Kakra bi na munya hwe. Kakra bi ana munya hwe. Nti pese me ma breakdown, dey see wa solo dem ni nyina. Why? Na ti asam na se. Me no kase wi am kwakofa full video no, dey we me si kan na beto. Nya me page no nya bi ahwe. Me say eda me brebe so, eda me wu, eda me ni ho no. Ma fa show ti se me nya nwi. In Jesus Christ's name. Fashion team say Unyankopon be hu me mobo. Ama me kwatenten. Fashion team say Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Obe hu obi ni mobo. No ama me kwatenten. Ka me mame. Me da se. Me say da me brebe so. A me wu no. Me busuafo emre ye ni bi. But ntutuye no me yi o mafrim. Florence obi ni me yi na frim for ntutuye. Say one thing, me say entutuye arrangement. Nti wo twa tweni arrangement entutuye. But Florence obi ni bebe yi ni bi o metena se asekuna. Sa na wo video ba ko nim sa na me kan no. Wanya ni nyina anhwe. Nti bi am de beba na hwe. Florence obi ni metena se asekuna. Jenja me so metena se asekuna no. Because bepem na me ka say me nware obi anka Florence ono nko na e meyere. Say the mo kan legal wife ono nko na e meyere. Ti me nware obi anka no. To baba betena se asekuna. Ba entutuye ni de me yi na frim. Arrangement Debbie. Hey Debbie, me na frim. Abusuafo Debbie. Papa dentia, hwe. Lumbe wuye. Woye to wa. Lumbe wuye woye to wa. Ka wesi me ye hwe basa. Ye lumbe firi wa Anthony Kojosafo. Even Anthony Kojosafo, Apostle Kojosafo, the senior my papa. Say ye nim de na chija no. Akofena Kojosafo Junior say on the so Ajosafo Junior that me nyese bi me ma me ye tantan sa o hwe TB Joshua wuye no TB Joshua wuye na yere kotena asase kuna TB Joshua yere kotena asase kuna ana ne ma nti nya na yere na ye yi no me se meti wo bi na ye yi no TB Joshua ma ene asolefo na ye na yi na na yere kotena asase kuna Anthony Kojobuache resurrection papa ni wuye no nya na yere na ye yi no eye ne ma ene na asolefo ene ye yi no hwe won JJ Lawrence ona na yere konadu mami ajeman hwe ne ma no won ne ma no he yantutuye yi na bu ni kodwo nyansa ni edeli he eti enkwalafo na ma wo mo no maka me pese me say repeat enkwani very smart medical wo ba ko wa bonten sana me ne Florence obi ni be wo tre ba me hwe enkwalafo no o me ye smart eti me obi a to bibia no obi a wo de wo hwe so ba enkwala ni bi wo mu a me twen ba ko mienu bi me twen bi na me ko register general na se be pam cho we the whole Aboroso church many one be hwemachi as a general overseer oni general overseer e ka general overseer just a resident pastor in abesha na say general apostle general district obia secretary equality obia besha na say said ye ne obia hye me mase no ono ne kasa ye fa na omuza papa we na me we yes sensan bibia we na me be to asolefo ni nyina nim say no me ni wa we ne be hwemachi me ye 2015 o jabro so for ya we we na me ye fast call banks Fidelity Absa Bank me bobo 6 banks na me say we and the behwe me japade nyina so obi nim TV station no so TV obi nim TV my abro so apartment guest house me fie nyina we na behwe so say wow na me say next of kin okasa fanda we so na hwe we so me sensan bibia we na be catch abro so for be catch me yere Florence obinim me wie nam sesa pipes ni nyina se ti se fia metim se si ye fani Blue House yi enya media ya media ma no media ma no me di ma ni wie ye na me frɛ Florence obinim se hani beji efie ni pipa no eye Blue House media ma wo ba ase mesi je no se wow te je to enya media bio ni obinim me media bio me wie nam se TV station no ene building no edan no I find the Pink House no eyoba we dia GP pa no fato na akola ni suaje na da cha kwani nyina wa bana se papa de che ho we wie na dan bi the greenhouse the GP pa no so me ye we din mu be de ma for so bi da kakraka na boro so guest house na e soro ho hye na nzi no eno so me ye na me de ma we na me say for so bi nti me di efie ni nyina people ni nyina wo for so bi ni ho Kumase bibia se me no ka say me Rolls Royce Bentley je wagon wa kiss ni na ni me ho eho de won ho te me kura me no ka se me peka ni bi atwa je se me kɔ akola no kɔje ki no me di bibia ache papa de ntina wo yesa sanity wo ba adwe ho ma ho ene mo na mo jeja nkora ne nam street so nunum wi ensanom sigaleti ye masem adwama mo hye nkora ne ye ya mo bon ade mo ye wicked because mo fa aware no as a japade aware ye property aware ye japade aware ntina aware ni break pe na nkora na ye mo bo na fa busuafo no ne ehire ni kunufo ne nam court because wa anya hwe ama nkwala no court saa na o ma na ye mo bo and na mo fa ware na se property japade no serious no mo nya masede esese mo ye you claim as a wine and na ware but mo nya asede esese mo ye fa ware as a japade when say ware betima break at any time think about your children it's in the court hey me de me tena ase na me plan ye me ne Florence obi nim and tena ase plan ye so what you say na papa de ntina wo de asem ne ba bonten maka ndadada mo na monte ye abro so for the so minim maka kan na afi na mate papa na de ntina wo kan eye hon konkono eye Holy Spirit se menka na mechi anye basa se da pese me kana motibi tina me se asema me kan me se asema me kan koto media ne so hey you careful we wicked mo kasa bebrebe mo ye wicked o nwene wo ba ho afa ware sese nti no nti directly no se me kase me ma ene abolosofo a hwan abolosofo me ma na ya abolosofo because me ba no won na ebe hwe abolosofo me ba no na ebe hwe abolosofo nti ono na sai je na obasi a eti directly me kasa kire me ma na ti me kase me ma ene abolosofo a that means me ba wo be hwe me abolosofo asole so ase je na obasi a wo hye date a no da koto ni nwa me say me papa de bibia che me sa as a nurse of kin fana ebia se ne kodwesafo hye date akofena adwasafo hye date papa ne yeto ho a hwe jeje ne radi yesu jeje ne yere konadu wuyi hwe ne ma no fefefe papa adentia de Bible be say won konkono Holy Spirit ma me de Bible nten papa woni mommy wo problem ye ni problem bia ni ho sa na mate se mommy akwa abonti akwa say erade so hira me dada because we say presenter no host ni bisa mommy say from so bi ni wate asem a wukunaka wo se wa yeden wate say esi wukunu say wo se wa yeden mommy say wa yeden wate na busa ho say mommy say wate o eti wona nka wote say esi wukunu ababonti aka say ya ka wona te anka be den say mommy say wate busa ho say mommy te ye no wafafo na freme say oh honey mate say esi wababonti abeka say nyama hwe video ni bi honey ade na kasa chire mu chire me na meko interview baby a mehunu de meka onfa afon freme o ma manimu nso emebusa me but wo say wate papa na kesa asem wo asem so de bi wo da chi me chire mu a chire wo Ye bibia na meti maka because me mfa ma wale sem ne me nsem ntu bedwam. Why? Ti se wo ukunu beka asem wo abonten. Wo yere beka asem wo abonten na wo tia. Ungobu se ukunu ungobu sa wo yere. Wona be chiriche hu su di me na nyame nhira no na de ndo nanim di nti akasa perfect but minti mi fa bibia ma abonten. Erade be ma me kwatenten. No ma follow so bi nim so kwatenten. No ma nkola ne kwatenten. Me de ma bibia wi. Kojo nyansani mo kire ma adwen kwa mo kasa nyina mo kire ma adwen me se me ye no 2015 ma ye wall ato papa ene wu bie nsem so me bie wie ma ye wall ato 2015 papa na buru so fo nyina ya we obia ya we resident pastors Kumase kwabena wo kire o ya we Takrade resident pastor Accra Tema obia ya we asole mpadi obia ya we mommy Florence ma ye wall ma ye bibia de agija me de obia to de bibia no ende se me no kasa me ne japade Timo amukasa no mo ha mo ho na papa wo ye bibia no se o hwan wo o person san cheche me se da ma Florence obi dim papers bibia wo no why ti ye nya ya ware me ne Florence de so ware ti Awurade nhira mo why na Awurade mo ho ban I love you more Awurade mbie wa adwene mu na toto ne ma yie na daachi woni ho a wo mba anyembo dwenkola ne daachi ho bye bye na me nhira.
So that was coming from Bishop Daniel Obinim. Ocha said, Kamia said people are actually misquoting what he said. What he was trying to communicate is that some of the things that happened as far as the funeral rites was concerned of Daddy Lumba, a couple of people for him, he has taken nuggets from it. Say when he gets married, he's not praying that he gets married, but say when he dies, say any kwan say ne busua ana say ne wife ede ne ho be for any arrangements for his death. Now munemu or ka to ho say so wu a abro so form nkrofo a omo ye ne church members and afi ne ma and na omunye arrangement in relation to his death, the funeral rites and all that. Na mu onka say ema ne yire no ema ne mba eye na siu na ocha na say ne yire there she can come. As at now, they on worry before for Bianca, so she has that right to rep or to come as Neire ebe kuna and all that, but Emma no fan who she share a arrangements and all that. So that is actually what is happening at the camp of Bishop Daniel Obinim. Yet also a concern from